I'm Angelina Lazar, Senior Ambassador for the Middle East of the Circle of Beautiful People and Praetorian Elite. Welcome to the heart of Europe in the center of Dubai, where we have the first 6 islands of 300 world islands dedicated to Europe, where they are the first residential habitats, luxury resorts where you can live, where we have floating villas we love to call seahorses, the first of its kind in the world. We have 90 in this phase on the island of St. Petersburg in the heart of Europe. And then we have the island of Sweden with 10 ultra-luxurious 5-story mansions, absolutely beautifully furnished by Bentley, with your own private beach, free zone, and freehold. So not only do you own the mansion, you own the beach, and not only you, but your children and children's children. Here we have Switzerland, where you can have your wonderful cappuccino amidst the snow falling, the very first climate-controlled area in the world. Whenever the temperature rises above 27 degrees, the snow will start to fall. We also have Germany, with exotic villas as well, and a beautiful lagoon and sea view. We also have the Grace Hotel, ultra-exclusive 7-star luxury hotel. We have the honeymoon suite above the sea, an absolutely exceptional way to celebrate that special night. But what is most fascinating regarding Seahorse is that your bedroom will be underneath the water amidst the most beautifully colored coral reef, colored fish, and exotic marine life. Your bathroom as well. While you enjoy an aromatherapy bath amidst candlelight, you can enjoy all the fish swimming to your view. We have a few more of these available, and this is an offer exclusively for the Praetorian Elite of the Circle of Beautiful People. Here we have a 5-star luxury family hotel with a whole lot of fun. On this side here, we also have a non-stop party hotel 24/7 for all of you singles out there who love to party. Welcome to the heart of Europe for the Circle of Beautiful People in the center of Dubai.